Mga clear na salvation verses number 45 sa Hebrews chapter 4 verses 2 to 3. Tara, basahin natin. For indeed, the gospel was preached to us as well as to them, but the word which they heard did not profit them, not being mixed with faith in those who heard it. For we who have believed do not enter that rest. As he said, so I swore in my wrath, they shall not enter my rest, although the works were finished from the foundation of the world. So, sinulat to para sa mga Hebrews or mga Hudyo. Most probably si Apostle Paul yung writer. Sabi niya na yung good news, yung gospel ay preach sa mga Hudyo nung time ni Moses. Kaso nga lang, hindi nag-profit or naging beneficial sa kanila kasi nga hindi sila nag-trust dito sa good news na binigay niya sa kanila nung narinig nila. Kaya nga sabi niya na tayo na nag-trust or nag-believe ay makaka-enter or makakapasok dun sa rest na yon.